Together Festival is coming back on June the 14th, so put it in your diaries and make sure that you're there at Himley Hall for the Together Festival 2025. It's going to be a great day coming together with other believers, with loads of people around the Black Country to see what God is doing in our area. So guys, if you want to get your tickets, head to the Love Black Country website, and there's going to be so much going on that day. There's going to be so many different zones. There's going to be a worship zone, a youth zone, a kids zone, a family zone. Any zone you think of, I'm pretty sure it's going to be there. So get your tickets and don't miss out this year for the Together Festival.
Somebody or nobody too, but they can never love you the way I love
you. Father's Day is coming up on the 15th of June, which is a little reminder for you people to get your father or your guardian a gift. But we'll be having a special Father's Day service here at Excel Church, and on that day there will also be feedback from the Spain mission team that will have completed their mission. So we can't wait to hear all of what God has done in and through them on their time in Spain. So make sure you come along for that service. There'll be a gift for all you men as well. Lucky days for you. So come along and we'll have a great time celebrating together.
You fell for golden lies. You sold your soul for a little shine.
It's a busy month this month at Excel Church, but we want you to just know that on the June the 29th, which is a Sunday, there are going to be no services here at Excel Church. But that is because we're going to be here at Hickman Park for Hope in the Park. Another year where it's coming back for us to reach our community with the hope of the gospel and some outreach. So join us here. It's for families. It's for anybody who wants to come for a really nice Sunday day out. You can even have a picnic right here on the grass. So come along, spread the word to your neighbours, to your friends, to your community around you, and come along. And if you'd like to volunteer and offer some help on the day to make things run a bit smoother, then do speak to Dan or one of the team to offer yourself for the day. We can't wait to have a great time at Hope in the Park 2025.
It's time for you to make your way back home. Find me in the wilderness, I am your inheritance.
We're gearing up and excited for our next local mission weekend, which is happening on the 4th to the 6th of July. Now, this is a weekend where we can reach out to our community with the gospel message and with God's love. We're going to have so many opportunities for you to be a part of. That'll be face painting, leafleting, evangelizing, gardening, litter picking, and even praying back at church for the outreach that is going on. So why don't you sign up online? You can go to excelchurch.org.uk/mission25 or speak to one of the team if you want some more information. But there's something for everyone to get involved in to share something of God's hope for Bilston. So get involved for Mission 25. Connect groups are happening this week, so make sure you connect with yours. And also kids and youth activities are all back because we're back from the half-term break. I hope you had a good week away last week, but we're all back, so let's have some fun this term.